Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you Canva tutorial for beginners. If you've ever wanted to create professional looking graphics, social media posts, presentations, thumbnails, resumes, business cards, or even videos without any design experience, Canva is one of the easiest tools you can use. It offers thousands of ready-made templates, millions of design elements, and a simple drag and drop editor that anyone can learn in just a few minutes. So let's get started. To begin, open your browser and visit the official Canva website. If you already have an account, simply click Login and sign in using your email address or Google account. If you're new to Canva, click Sign Up and create a free account. Once you've signed in, you'll arrive at the Canva homepage. After signing in, you'll arrive at the Canva homepage. This is your main dashboard where all your projects and design tools are located. At the very top, you'll notice a large search bar. You can use this search bar to quickly find templates, photos, icons, videos, presentations, documents, or even your own previously created designs. Below the search bar, Canva displays several quick start categories. You'll see popular options like Instagram posts, Facebook posts, presentations, documents, whiteboards, videos, posters, YouTube thumbnails, resumes, business cards, and many more. These are preset canvas sizes, so you don't need to remember dimensions yourself. As you scroll down, you'll also find your recent designs. This section makes it easy to reopen projects you've recently worked on without searching for them again. Now let's look at the menu on the left side of the screen. The first option is Home, which always brings you back to the main dashboard. Next is Projects. This is where Canva stores all your previous designs. If you've created folders, they'll appear here as well. Organizing your projects into folders is very useful, especially if you're managing work for different clients or businesses. To create a folder, simply click Add New Folder, give it a name, and save it. Below projects is templates. One of Canva's biggest strengths is its massive template library. Instead of creating every design from scratch, you can simply start with a professionally designed template. For example, let's say you want to create a sale post for Instagram. Click on templates and type sale into the search bar. Canva instantly displays hundreds of beautiful templates. Browse through them until you find one you like, then click Customize this template. The template will immediately open inside the Canva editor, where every element can be edited. You can change the text, replace images, modify colors, resize objects, or delete anything you don't need. The next section is Brand, which is available for Canva Pro users. This allows businesses to upload their logos, save brand colors, and store company fonts so every design remains consistent. Whenever you see a small crown icon, it means that particular feature requires Canva Pro. Under that, you'll find Apps. Canva integrates with many third-party services including Google Drive, Dropbox, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Google Photos, Pexels, Bitmoji, AI tools, and much more. These integrations make it much easier to import files or enhance your designs without leaving Canva. Back on the home page, you'll also notice sections like Starred, Recent Designs, and Shared with You. If there's a design you use frequently, click the small star icon beside it. This pins it to your Starred section for quick access later. Now, let's create our first design. In the upper left corner, click Create a Design. A window appears showing many popular canvas sizes. You can choose Instagram, post, presentation, video, resume, poster, logo, business card, Facebook cover, YouTube, thumbnail, or many others. If you don't see the size you need, simply type it into the search box. For example, type presentation and Canva will show different presentation formats. You can also create a completely custom canvas. Click Custom Size. Choose your preferred measurement units such as pixels, inches, millimeters, or centimeters, then enter your desired width and height. Another useful feature is the ability to upload an existing file. If you already have a PDF, PowerPoint, Word document, or image you'd like to edit, Simply upload it into Canva, and the platform will convert it into an editable project whenever possible. For this tutorial, let's choose Instagram post. Click on it, and Canva opens the editor. This is where all the magic happens. In the center of the screen is your blank canvas. Around it are all the tools you'll use to build your design. If you want to zoom in or out, use the zoom slider in the bottom right corner. On the left side of the editor, you'll see several important tabs including templates, elements, text, uploads, projects, and more. Hovering over each tab expands its menu, while clicking keeps it open so you can continue working. Now let's continue exploring the Canva editor. One of the most useful sections is Elements. Click on the Elements tab on the left-hand side. Here you'll find thousands of design resources including shapes, icons, illustrations, stickers, lines, arrows, charts, photos, videos, audio clips, and animations. Now start with the Templates tab on the left side. If you don't want to create everything from scratch, Canva offers thousands of professionally designed templates. Simply click Templates and browse through the available designs. You can also use the search bar to find something specific, like business flyer, birthday invitation, modern presentation, or YouTube thumbnail. When you find a template you like, simply click on it. It will instantly replace your blank canvas with the selected design. Every part of the template is editable, so you can customize it however you like. Another powerful feature is collaboration. Click the share button in the upper right corner. Here, you can invite teammates by entering their email addresses. You can allow them to view, comment, or edit the design. This is extremely helpful when working with clients, classmates, or team members. Once your design is complete, it's time to download it. Click the share button in the upper right corner, then select Download. Canva offers several file formats including PNG, JPG, PDF standard. Choose the format that best suits your project. If your design contains multiple pages, Canva lets you download all pages together or select only the pages you need. You can also adjust image quality, file size, transparency, and compression depending on the chosen format. After selecting your settings, click Download. Canva will process your design and automatically save it to your computer. As you continue using Canva, you'll discover many advanced features like animations, video editing, audio recording, charts, whiteboards, presentations, AI tools, and brand management. However, everything begins with understanding the basics we've covered in this tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.